There we are. Voila. Let me just bring that up to the camera so you guys can see that. Alright.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be making is a snack. You can obviously have it between your breakfast and your lunch, or preferably if you prefer rather, between your lunch and your dinner. It's going to be a baguette stuffed with meat and some mushrooms, and it's going to get some cheese, melted cheese on top. So stay tuned to see how it goes. But before we go into the next stage, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, share, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And now we can begin the show. Right guys, the very first thing I'm going to do is, I've got some mushrooms, wash them a little bit, and I'm going to be chopping them up. So before anything, you want to chop up your mushrooms, okay? If you think it's too big, you can just cut it in half or whatever, right? I think we're good. Yeah? Okay. Just chuck it all in the pan. And you don't need anything, because you don't need any oil or anything, right? Let this bad boy heat up. What you want to do, a little bit, and chop it up. Very nice, very nice. Gradually, if you see excessive bits, chunks of stem, do yourself a favor and pick it out. So, next up, we have our mince. There we go, that's about 500 grams worth. Alright. Now, I'm not going to marinate this just quite yet. I'm going to let it cook. Okay. I really shouldn't be using this, but I don't like the other spoon I've got, the plastic one. I just get a new one. Yeah. So I'll cook this, but I will add a pinch of oil to this. Bit of lovely olive oil. Okay. Get things going. Right guys, meanwhile while that's cooking, I've turned on the oven just to preheat it, and what you want to do is, I've got 2 baguettes. I'm just going to gently try and cut open the middle. Okay. This may be tricky. Not tricky, but you know, it'll take a while to do. You just want to kind of like empty it out basically, right? That's number 1. Now is ready for our next stage where we're going to marinate it. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, I'm going to add some of that good stuff, the Persian gold dust. Beautiful. Now, I ain't got my usual tomato paste, so I just have to get this different one. Go like that. Add a pinch of water. If we need more, we'll add it, not a problem. And all you want to do is turn it up again to the max. Get that juice in there, get it all nice and juicy. Marinate it up. Right, you remember our coriander we chopped up earlier? Chuck it in there. Get it all in there, right? Now what you want to do, mix it up. You put that in like last, just for the last, you know, minute or so, just so it softens it up, gives it that flavour in there. Right? Beautiful. Just that lump of meat like that. Right? Bear in mind, if you like peppers or anything like that, red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, you can also add them onto this, but I'm not a fan, so I don't bother using that. But it is entirely up to you. You remember these two? There you are. I'm gonna place them there. And I'm just gonna fill this up. Right. Just be careful with your fingers or my fingers so I don't burn. Fill it up. Look at that. Just press it down so it's, you know, fills it up. Just want to try and not spill anything where it's not wanted. Right. That's that. Just do a tiny bit more. Okay. Cheddar cheese here. What you want to do is place it on top. Okay. You can put more, you can put less, it's entirely up to you what you want to do with it. And so yeah, just try not to spill it on the actual tray. It won't be nice. Pinch more. I think that just about does it, guys. Put this bad boy in the oven for 7 minutes. And now for the moment of truth. There we are. Voila. Let me just bring that up to the camera so you guys can see that. Alright. Right. Now, what I need to do is create some space and there's that. This is gonna be hot, guys. Here's what you want to do. Take 2 forks, bring it up, place it there. You want to chop it up. Okay, just like so. Okay, guys, I'm being a soldier here for you guys. Yep. Yep. This is bloody hot, guys. What you want to do is gently present them here, just like so. If I can get one more, squeeze one more in. Right, it's like a little snack, guys. And then you remember the little parsleys we had? Just put a leaf on top of each one to give it that extra look. Alright, got that one. It got all, you know, something like that. Get rid of that one. Okay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is your snack of the day. That's your baguette with some minced meat and some mushrooms, followed by cheese. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up